Dr. Rossi. I mean, we started this pretty much together back in the day, but what do you like about PinPoint Health today?
What do I like about PinPoint Health today? Geez. From a clinic perspective, I love the camaraderie that we built, the relationships we have interprofessionally, both within this clinic and the surrounding clinics in our building, with the walk-in clinic across the hallway, and then building those types of lasting relationships here, which I think has really helped kind of sustain the growth of our practice here.
And what about working with me every day?
It's been an absolute pleasure, a joy. You know, we're all very, very lucky to be here, you know, at PinPoint Health, you know, under your guidance, of course. No, but in all seriousness, it's a fun environment, it's relaxed. You know, I love that we have, as practitioners, the autonomy to practice the way we want. We have the flexibility in our schedules to have a good work-life balance. Geez, I guess.
It sounds like you love it.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I have to say that.
Awesome. And we were happy to have you.
Yeah.